this expression from PhoneArena, and what we're going to do is quick unboxing of the new LG Optimus G. Here is the device. The one we have is a white color, is the Korean version, so probably when it's launched in the US and Europe it's gonna be initially just the black one. This is the device, and the box, you should have here the micro USB cable, and you have a headset here. Go. Quad bead and the charger, and you have a SIM card extraction tool, and this is the device. Let's take the screen protector. There we go. And we are up and running. That was the quick unboxing of the LG Optimus G. Again, that is the Korean version.